Meet the mini DVI optical extender, plug and play, lossless, and supports EDID. Extend DVI-D video, up to 10 km. The optical extender provides a DVI-D, 18+1, interface and supports a 3840x2160, 30 Hz resolution, length 75.5, width 38, height 14.5, miniature size, suitable for various scenarios with strict size requirements. Utilizes interface-powered technology, allowing both the transmitter and receiver to work without the need for external power sources. In cases of incompatible resolutions, simply plug the transmitter into the DVI port of the display and press the button to read the display's EDID information. If there are resolution issues, just connect the transmitter to the display's DVI port and press the button to read the display's EDID info. To prevent contamination of the optical ports, the optical extender uses silicone dust caps with an anti-detach design to prevent cap loss. The fully enclosed zinc alloy ultra-thin enclosure is CNC machined for improved heat dissipation, anti-static properties, interference resistance, oxidation resistance, and dust protection. To meet the needs of the stage rental industry, we have designed waterproof cases that can accommodate up to 4 pairs of optical extenders. The usage method is shown in the figure, which is very simple. Miniature size power adapter with built-in cable ties. Widely applicable in various scenarios with strict size requirements, such as new product launches, museums, command centers, virtual simulations, and concerts. Below the video, you can find our contact information.